You're listening to DJ Zach on Pinoy FM.
Kaya back to the Tunog Kalye of Pinoy FM, our first Tunog Kalye. And I hope nagustuhan ninyo yung ating mga kinanta kanina. And right now, maghahatid kami ng aming next song para sa inyo. This time, a solo performance ni Master Mark. And without any further ado, let me give the mic to Master Mark.
Won't you be my number two? Me and number one are true. There won't be too much to do. Just smile when I feel blue. And there's not much left of me. What you get is what you see. Is it worth the energy? I'll leave it all to you. And if you've got something to say to me, don't try to play your funny games on me. I know that it's really not fair of me, but my heart's seen too much action. And every time I look at you, you'll be who I want you to. And I'll do what I can do to make a dream or two come true. If you be my number two.
Thank you, si Master Mark. Ayan, galing ng kanyang solo performance. And I hope maraming nai-inlove dyan. Ayan, napaka-cool ng ating gabi ngayon dahil ito yung ating first Tunog Kalye. Ayan, Pinoy FM version.
Pinoy FM, your online radio.